Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the VANS SK8-HI bolts. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at the VANS SK8-HI bolts. And we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's US men's size 8.5, and it's European 41. Let's go unboxing. So, here we go. We kind of cheated, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If you guys watching have ever owned a pair of VANS with laces, they always come unlaced, which is great because if you wanna have your own fit, not the factory fit, there you go, you can just adjust the laces to however you want it. But as for me, I just want to put them on and get out of the shop. All that said, we have an intriguing and interesting look / update of what VANS have done with this infamous SK8-HIs. But before all that, we'll start with the outsole. So with this outsole, you got all rubber waffle outsole made famous by VANS. Tons of VANS sneakers, shoes, they'll have this waffle print on their outsoles. Look at the midsole, and that's the start of the whole update or the bolt. And you can clearly see that black bolt over here. Essentially, the midsole is a rubber cup sole, but just around it, you got this reinforced toe grips there at the toe box, and that extends towards the middle of the sneaker here, and you can see it on the medial side too, with this black bolt patterning shown. And again, you can see it incorporated on the whole upper. This whole upper is made out of a really nice soft leather. All around you can see it in this black colorway, and you can see the unique bolt shapes again here at the laces. The lace paneling is there in a black and white. Toe box, again, it's perforated, you need to breathe. The tongue's made out of leather, and you got the VANS off the wall logo there. The laces are in just flat laces. We had to lace them up ourselves. The collar, got the famous, with it being a SK8-HI, all SK8-HIs have this padded collar. Obviously, these VANS are made for skating, so we look at the insole, and you got a very nice, very soft insole with the VANS logo there. And rounding it off at the heel, again, still made out of that rubber cup sole, and you've got the VANS off the wall logo right there. Now, these sneakers remind me of the Ian Connor Revenge Storms. Those were those sneakers that the fashion model Ian Connor wore, and they had lightning bolts. They're essentially an old school, but instead of that jazz print, where you can see the jazz print here, but on the old school, it's on the lower form, obviously, it has lightning bolts. So I think what VANS have done is taken back their silhouette of SK8-HI is essentially the old school, but they're taking it back and added their own bolts. I think they issued Ian Connor with a cease and desist, but not 100%. I think. If anyone in the comments can educate me, let me know in the comment section below. I'd like to know a bit deeper. But anyway, that rounds off my review. I love a pair of SK8-HI VANS. We love VANS here at Oneupreviewz. If anyone from VANS is watching this video, yo, hook your boys up. We'd love a pair. As I mentioned, you heard our sizes at the beginning, but I am 7.5. So if you ever feel a bit generous, throw some our way. Can't wait to try these on and show you what they look on feet. So roll that footage of me trying these on. Hey guys, when it comes to the fit, maybe get half size down. It's weird because I do own the pair of the OG skate highs, but they're in the UK size 8. And this 7.5 is a bit too spacious for my liking. It's a lot of space around the front of my foot area, but my toes are where they need to be, which is weird. Maybe it's just me, maybe I need to tighten the laces a bit more. Very comfy. I know what to expect when it comes to a pair of skate highs. You're going to get a very comfortable underside of the foot. Obviously built for skating. Personally not going to clear any gaps skating, but it was made for that purpose. Very cool. Never owned a pair of leather ones. Really dope to see that lightning bolt. Really nice touch. And for those wondering what trousers I'm wearing, what pants I'm wearing, I am wearing a pair of Uniqlo cargo joggers. You can still find them at the Uniqlo website at the time of this recording, so check that website out or go to your local Uniqlo store. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with the Z at the end. Until next time.